Take the bus with me from Ho Chi Minh to Da Nang, Vietnam. Mas mura ang flights kung pupunta ka sa Ho Chi Minh kaysa dedirekta ka sa Da Nang. Kaya sinubukan nating lumipad sa Ho Chi Minh via Vietnam Airlines tapos nag-bus tayo to Da Nang for 17 hours. There is an option to take the train and that was my original plan. Pero nung nalaman ko na may 4 beds sa isang enclosed room, I backed out because that meant I'd have to share the room with 3 other strangers. Akala ko kasi kapareho siya ng train sa Thailand na nasa isang train car lang lahat magkakasama. I chose the VIP bus by Tan Quang Dong Company, particularly because may toilet siya on board. Karamihan kasi wala. May mga charging ports na yan, lights, entertainment screen, aircon, at curtain. I booked my bus ticket on Red Bus Vietnam and I'm so glad that I did. Nung nahirapan ako makipag-communicate dun sa staff, the Red Bus customer service representative talked to them in Vietnamese. They also messaged me any changes and also sent the plate number in advance. Their custom representatives speak good English kaya hindi rin ako nahirapan. At yung pinakagusto ko dun sa website nila, pwede kang mamili kung upper bunk bed or lower bunk. And I encourage you to get the same one that I got, yung upper bunk. Ino-overbook kasi nila minsan yung bus, so hinahayaan nila yung iba na matulog dun sa gitna sa baba. Malinis naman din kasi yung sahig dahil bawal naman ang footwear sa loob. So yun lang, kung nasa babang bed kayo, parang halos makakatabi nyo rin sila. Syempre, the lesser the number of beds, the better para mas comfy. I made sure to choose the single cabin para wala akong ka-share. Meron kasing mga double cabin na pwedeng pang dalawahan. I'm 5 feet flat at saktong-sakto lang ako sa cabin. Kung mas matangkad kayo, baka medyo uncomfortable na siya for you. Once lang yung stopover niya kung saan kakain kayong lahat, nakain na yung food pagdating namin at 8 p.m. Kasama na yung sa binayaran namin na bus ticket. Yun nga lang, you'd have to share the food with the strangers. Tapos hindi yata uso dito ang serving spoon. Nilagyan ko ng serving spoon yung mga pagkain namin pero walang gumamit. For your drinks, may tinda na rin sila dito. Tapos may complimentary bottled water rin sa bus. By the way, if you're booking any travel activity while you're in Vietnam, check out Klook for discounted tickets. Don't forget to use my promo code TRAVELERKLOOK to get 3 to 5% off. The bus ride was indeed a unique experience, but if you're a light sleeper, this may not be for you. Grabe sila magbusina sa Vietnam. Kung naranasan nyo yun sa Metro Manila, mas doble dito. It's on another level. Ang nakakatawa kasi kahit nasa expressway na kami, ang lala pa rin nilang bumusina. Ganito siya kalala. Buti na lang heavy sleeper ako kaya masarap pa rin yung gising ko sa umaga. Minsan din yung mga locals, malalakas sila magpatugtog sa phone kaya make sure na naka-ready na yung earplugs nyo or noise cancelling earphones. For your comfort, magdala rin kayo ng extrang jacket. May blanket sila dito pero sobrang lumalamig sa madaling araw. And for your added security, I suggest putting a tracker inside your luggage kung meron man just to make sure na hindi siya mawala kasi nandun lang siya sa labas sa baba nakalagay. There you go. For more travel videos, check out my TikTok playlists. Enjoy Vietnam!